Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be playing Fashion Famous. Okay, where am I sitting? Christmas Party, okay.
What?
We are gonna be playing Fashion Famous, and we're just gonna set the like goal of only, just 2 likes. Yeah, 2 likes. Alright, now let's go get ready for this Christmas party.
Yeah, Christmas party.
Okay, let's go color our hair green. Since it's Christmas, so we're supposed to be dressing green and red. Let's go see if there's any red outfits in here. Red outfits. We need red outfits. Red.
I see a red.
I guess we can wear something. Okay, is there any red in the back? Let's see. Ooh, that's nice. It's not really that red, it's cheese, but like, it'll work. Actually, no, this is really good. Okay, no, it's not good at all, since it's apparently not that bad. Let's go find, I can't find anything red. Okay, let's just wear this, where are the skirts? Let's at least make our skirt red. Or, dress, even though I don't like dresses. That's the only thing I can wear. No, I don't want my red. Why is it not coloring it? It's not coloring it. Wait, okay, perfect. I think this is enough, but let's go get some wings real quick. If I even can put some wings. Not gonna touch any hair. Just in case. Let's go get some wings. Let's go. Ooh, let's see here. Let's see. Ooh, this is pretty good. Okay, I think we're ready. I'll see you guys when the show starts. Hey guys, so it's only 3 seconds left. So yay! Okay, start. Okay. Okay, New York. Oh, my battery. Sorry about that, my brother. Okay, Fashion Famous show in New York. Let's go vote. Safa _10. I forgot. This girl is not really like a Christmas party, so I'm just gonna leave her too. Okie dokie, who's next? Crystal 20. That does not look like a Christmas party, but usually when I judge people, I'm always wrong, so I'm just gonna leave her too. Exactly the same as the other. Okay, Gummy 12720. Okie dokie. Oh! That's too much things for just a Christmas party. So I just wear 1 star. Okay. 1 Mooney. Why is she all blue? Oh my gosh, I forgot to change my face. I can't believe it. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna give her like a 1. Very nice 11442. That's kind of, but she forgot the red part, so 3. Okay, next is Ciantic 25. Okay, I'll just rate her a 1. Just a plain old 1. Okay, I guess 1 is okay. A hunt cute too. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce that. Okay, she looks kind of good. So I'll rate her 2. Oh, next, last but not least, I'm last. Okay, whatever. I know I'm gonna lose since I did not change my face, but I'm just gonna wave. Okie dokie. I bet people are just rating everybody 0. What? I'm pretty sure that girl literally just spawned. And she won for some reason? Okay, what? I don't think anybody voted for her, that's why it's nil. And I got almost last, so I'll see you guys soon when the intermission is over. Okie dokie, so hashtag selfie. So I guess that means freestyle? Okay, I'm just gonna dress like as I'm about to take a selfie. So I'm gonna dress all cute and stuff, do my makeup and stuff like that. Okie dokie, right here. Go, okay. Let's just go get like a cute hair. A really cute hair. I think I'll get this hair. Okie dokie. Let's go change it to brown, since brown is a pretty nice color for hair. Okay. This brown? Now they will actually just change it to blonde. Maybe blonde will be good. Okay, blonde. Yeah, let's stick with blonde. Okay, now the face part. Can't believe I forgot it last time. Ooh, that's such a cute face. Yes, perfect. Okay. Yes, okay. Now let's go get our clothing. Any cute clothing here? Oh my gosh, why am I not even walking? Okay, what is that shit right there? Friday? Okay, Friday release today, and the French Friday, I guess. Okie dokie. Ooh, these pants should be good. I like these pants. I'm gonna wear these pants real quick. And now let's go get a piece of clothing. This one. Yeah. Okay, I think that's pretty good. I'm just gonna act like a normal girl and not put any wings. Maybe I'll lose because of that, but like, I'll see you when the fashion show is about to start. So I decided that I want this cute little rainbow on myself to match with my face. So I'll put that on now, and I'll see you guys very soon. I just wanted to tell you guys that you can actually change your skin color using these. Like, walk into one of them, and your skin color changes. I'm going to quickly go change it to brown. See? Yeah, okay. Now I'm going to go back to my normal one. No, my arm. No, I can't change the color of my arm. Okie dokie. So, game's about to start anyways. So, let's go. Okie dokie. Welcome everyone to the Fashion Famous show. Time to vote for the best outfits. Johan Rain. Ooh, that's really pretty, but I don't like her wings and face. And she looks the exact same outfit as me, so I'll rate her like apparently it's I didn't even rate her. I didn't even rate her yet. I went too long. Safa _ I forgot. Oh, she fell. Ooh, that's really good. Okay, I'll rate her 4. Decent. 4. Gummy1272. Okay, cute, but I don't like it, so it's rated a 1. Okay, she's pretty cute. 3. Solid 3. Oh, next up is me. Let's do the waving animation. Wave. Oh my gosh, I'm just waving all over there. Hey, nobody can see me. I'm so weird. Why was I doing that? I forgot her name, but she looks... Whoa! She looks perfect for a selfie. 5. Actually, no. 4. 4. Yeah, 4. Crystal 20. 2. I have nothing to say about it. Okay. Winners are... Oh man, I didn't even win. I thought my outfit was pretty cute for a selfie though. I'm 6th. Well, at least I didn't get a 1 rating like Johan Rain. Well, that's gonna be all for today, guys. I hope you like this video. Subscribe and don't forget to turn on those post notifications. Bye, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.